Namaskar ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So in today's vlog what we are going to discuss that what are the after effects, aftermath of the second servicing. So we have discussed the cost perspective of the first servicing. Now in today's vlog what we'll do, we'll discuss about the little part about the costing of the second servicing and what are the after effects or aftermath of the second servicing. So I just stopped in this random location. We can see the beautiful sunset out here. The place is beautiful. So I think it's raining over there. So let's discuss about the pricing components in the second servicing. Now it's all in all same as it was in first servicing. There's just difference in that engine oil part. So basically there's only difference in that engine oil part. What I'll do, I'll leave the components from the invoice over somewhere here in the screen, and if you haven't checked that video, I'll leave that link in the description or leave somewhere in the cart here. You can check out that video also. So yeah, now I'll spell out the different components that I got charged in the second serving. So spelling down the components, we get first oil filter. Oil filter they charge me around 29 rupees. Then let's talk about the engine oil part. So for engine oil they charge me this time 507 rupees, which last time they charged me around 600 rupees. So I reached out to them. Now they told that they'll settle it in the third servicing. So let's see when we go to third servicing. Now next, your chain cleaning and chain lubing. For chain cleaning and chain lubing they charged me around 110 plus for each. Then the third component is your consumables. So consumables they include sprays and all those things. So those around costed 40 rupees something. We can check here in the invoice. And the last part is bike polish. So for bike polish they charged around 46 rupees. So the subtotal amount without taxes it was around 834 rupees, and including taxes it got around 985 or 89 rupees. So it is lesser than previous. It was around 1109 rupees. So basically that difference was due to that engine oil part. So now what we'll do, I'll explain you what is the difference I felt after the second servicing of the bike. So let's first get onto the bike and let's discuss. Now let's discuss about the improvements. After the first servicing, I felt the major improvement in the smoothness of the bike. Now the smoothness of the bike is at the next level. When I purchased the bike, it was little on rougher side, but after the first servicing, there's a bit improvement. Not much, but there is little improvement. But when I did the second servicing in the March, the bike is riding smooth as a hell. It's buttery smooth now. Going to the second point. Now the second point is the gear shifting in the bike is now very much smoother. If you own any new Gixxer, you know that the gear shifting was on very harder side. But now after the first servicing, I didn't see any much difference. Gears was hard to shift, but after the second servicing the gear shifting is also on a next level. So gear shifting is going well smooth. Covering the performance part, I can say the acceleration of the bike has improved a lot. Vibrations are less now. And yeah, now talking about the mileage of the bike, see, I haven't checked the mileage of the bike after the second servicing, but yeah, I can say that the bike is giving a decent mileage. Now on the longer routes I'm getting around 35 to 40 kilometers per hour easily. In the city traffic you might expect it around 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. So talking about what went wrong, so basically I didn't feel anything went wrong after the second servicing. All in all, I felt major improvement in the bike performance as just we have discussed. So basically that all the components I can say after the second servicing has improved, and the all in all bike has improved a lot in the performance. So that was all from today's video. Let's meet in another interesting vlog. Now till then, bye bye.